welcome back to my channel, and welcome if you are new. My name is Casey and I am sharing a little home tour before I decorate for fall. I can't believe it's already that time again to bring out the fall decorations, and then as we know, right after that comes Christmas, so my house won't look like this again until next year. So I wanted to do a little tour because I feel like I just started getting things the way that I want them, and now it's time to switch it all up again. So this is our living room, which is the first room that you see when you walk in the door, and it is connected to our dining room over there, as well as our kitchen is kind of open, and there's a little glimpse to our itty bitty foyer entryway, which I didn't clean up before the tour, so that's why I didn't show it, but you get a little glimpse of it, and there was some packages and shoes still in the way. Now I am just going to show you a little tour of our dining room, so enjoy. Now we are going to head into the kitchen, and I have an umbrella outside of the window. I was trying to block the sun because it was late afternoon when I started filming this, and the sun was just pouring in the windows and you couldn't see, so I tried to block it as best as I could. I also just arranged that big beautiful bouquet of fresh flowers by the kitchen sink. I always love to keep a bouquet of fresh flowers in the kitchen. It's my favorite. Head into the master bedroom, and I will give you a quick little tour in here. skipping over the kids' rooms and the bathrooms and even the butler's pantry in this video because I just didn't have them ready. So once you walk through the kitchen, you walk into our butler's pantry, which leads you down into the family room. And this is where we all watch TV and hang out. We just added a new addition to this room last night, and I can't wait to share it with you. It is huge, so be on the lookout for that in a future video. And just outside of these double doors is our back patio. Well, that is it for this tour. I tried not to do too much talking in this video and just did a quick little tour. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And if there's anything that you are wanting the link to, check down in the description box below. I will put links to a lot of the items that are in my home. I will also be getting my fall stuff out of storage and we'll be doing some fall decorating, so stay tuned for that. And so you don't miss out on the video, make sure you are subscribed to this channel and hit that bell notification. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. If you like this video, please hit that thumbs up and leave a comment down below. It helps my channel out so much. And I hope you have a wonderful day, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!